They had everything people dream of today: power, wealth, endless gardens, advanced technology, peaceful cities. But they didn't fall because of poverty. They were destroyed because of ungrateful hearts. In Yemen, there lived a mighty civilization known as Saba, the same kingdom once ruled by Queen Bilqis. Allah blessed them with fertile lands, perfect climate, endless gardens, and flowing water. They lived in comfort like paradise on earth. The Quran describes their luxury. Indeed, for the people of Saba there was a sign in their homeland: 2 gardens on the right and the left. Eat from the provisions of your Lord and be grateful. Between 2 mountains they built a massive dam in Marib. It stored rainwater, created endless agriculture, fed gardens that never stopped growing. Their cities were organized, wealthy, green, and advanced. The dam was so strong it lasted over 1,000 years. But blessings come with responsibility. Allah reminded them, "Be grateful." Slowly, luxury turned into pride, comfort turned into heedlessness, hearts turned away from Allah. They rejected guidance. They became ungrateful. They forgot who blessed them. The Quran says, "But they turned away." They started worshiping the sun instead of Allah, as the hoopoe told Prophet Suleiman. Then came a night different from all nights. Rains intensified, clouds darkened. Scholars narrate that Allah sent creatures to weaken the dam's foundation. When the flood pressure hit, the dam burst. Allah says in the Quran, "So we sent upon them the flood of Arim." The Quran describes the aftermath, "And we replaced their 2 gardens with bitter fruit, tamarisk trees, and a few sparse thorny shrubs. Their beautiful gardens turned into thorn bushes, their cities shattered, their people scattered. The Ansar of Medina, the very people who welcomed the Prophet, trace their lineage back to this migration from Saba. Their destruction wasn't because Allah hated them. It happened because they forgot Allah while living in comfort. Allah didn't punish poverty. He punished pride, ungratefulness, and arrogance. The Prophet ﷺ said about Saba, "It was neither a land nor a woman. It was a man who had 10 children, 6 of whom went to Yemen and 4 to Syria. And from them came the tribes that would later embrace Islam." The Quran didn't record this story just for history. It recorded it for us. We have the same blessings today: wealth, comfort, technology. But do we have grateful hearts? Do we remember Allah in our ease? Or are we building our own dams, only to see them swept away? Allah doesn't destroy nations for poverty. He destroys them for forgetting Him in wealth. The people of Saba had everything, and they lost everything, because they forgot the one who gave it all. What are you grateful for today? Comment below. Share this video to remind someone. Gratitude isn't just saying thank you. It's using your blessings for what Allah intended.